solarlist.org by April 7th. If we can't secure your NEM 2.0 spot, cancellation is free. Visit solarlist.org today.
Hi guys, it's Mark with Coastside Medical Clinic. Are you struggling with erectile dysfunction and sick of the pills? Well, we have a major medical advancement that has helped thousands of men. Our wave technology is backed by 60 clinical studies, including from Cambridge University. It's been shown to increase blood flow by repairing blood vessels. No pills and no side effects. If you're ready to put a stop to your ED, call us now, and not only will the assessment and blood flow ultrasound be free, but will also include something unique that produces powerful results in the bedroom. You're going to love that one, guys. Trust me. This unprecedented offer is worth $600, but it's free to those who call in the next 2 minutes. Call 916-603-2000. That's 916-603-2000. Guys, put a stop to your erectile dysfunction and get your life back. Call Coastside Medical Clinic now to qualify. 916-603-2000.
Hey, good morning. You're heading to the airport, right?
Yep, thanks for checking. I like the car. How long have you been a rideshare driver?
About 3 years now, but I really enjoy it.
Isn't it hard to make money these days with the price of gas being so high?
Not for me. I use Upside, the free app that gives you cash back for every gallon of gas you buy.
Are you saying you actually get real money back when you get gas with the Upside app?
I get real cash back every time I get gas.
Does that actually add up to anything?
I'll make around $200 to $300.
Wow, that's serious extra cash. I'm downloading the Upside app now.
Download the free Upside app now to earn real cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code DRIVE for an extra 25 cents per gallon bonus on your first tank. You can cash out anytime right to your bank account, PayPal, or a gift card for Amazon and others. Just download the free Upside app and use promo code DRIVE. 25 cents a gallon bonus on your first tank. Code DRIVE.
Owners Robert and Tina Acevedo for Hall's Window Center.
So we use Hall seniors and
Absolutely no brainer when we moved into this home to go ahead and use Halls once again because we had such a great experience with them.
Take it from me, Kitty O'Neill. Get on Hall's appointment calendar today. Purchase now and inform $150 per window and $500 per new door. The results of fantastic. HallsWindowCenter.com.
Sacramento's Jews were here.
Good morning to you. It is Thursday, February 23rd. From here with you. Morning news.
Slower than predicted.
afternoon. We will have the very latest on it tomorrow morning when we return at 5 o'clock. Thanks for being here this morning. I'm Sam Shane.
I'm Christina Mendonça.
Breaking news, local news, traffic, and weather. Trusted for 100 years. KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
Celebrate our greatest presidents with a great night's sleep. Our good friends at Matthews Mattress are offering huge savings on Tempur-Pedic, Stearns & Foster, and Sealy mattress sets. Christina here from my friends at Matthews Mattress. Right now, you can save up to $500 on select adjustable mattress sets from Tempur-Pedic and get a free $300 gift. Stearns & Foster adjustable sets have savings up to $600 with a $200 free gift. And Sealy adjustable mattress sets have savings up to $400 with a $200 free gift. Plus, the entire line of Matthews Mattress Home Collection is on sale. Matthews Mattress Home Collection Queens start as low as $277. The Premium Collection and the Ultimate Collection have huge President's Day savings also. When you purchase any Matthews Mattress brand mattress over $899, they will pay the sales tax. Send you home with 2 free bamboo pillows and a quality mattress protector. Matthews Mattress is family owned and operated by our good friends Kevin and Kristen Matthews. Head to Matthews Mattress today for the huge President's Day sales event. To find one nearest you, go to MatthewsMattress.com.
As the #1 audio company, iHeartMedia gives you access to all. Every audience, live conversations, trusted influencers, and the insights and data you need to grow. iHeartMedia is your access company. Go to iHeartResults.com for more.
I have lots of options for my holiday shopping, but I prefer to shop at Rayleigh's and Bel Air. They're family-owned with deep local roots, and they're committed to giving back to the community. My donations to their nonprofit Food for Families stay local, so I know I'm helping feed families in my community. Rayleigh's and Bel Air also support local schools with give-back programs and community events, and they always carry plenty of locally sourced meats and produce. Supporting my community is important to me, so I'm shopping at my neighborhood Rayleigh's and Bel Air.
Thursday edition of the Clay Travis and Buck Sexton Show begins right now, everybody, all across this great land. Thank you for tuning in. Got a lot on the plate today, a lot to get through on the plate and Buck's docket. Right now, many people are just riveted by this unusual legal circumstance of a criminal murder defendant on the stand. This is in the Murdaugh murder trial about this family, a wealthy lawyer, his young girl who was hit. We're here of ruination of the family finances, of opioid addiction, and now the allegation, primary allegation.
Yeah, I watched John. It was like he was falling from the sky.
Right. It was like 7-Eleven was controlling the weather, and it was flipping for everybody.
Yes, except John.
Yeah, except John, because John does not deserve this list.
So you got rain in the air, too?
We got rain, we got ruffle, we got dogs and cats, it's all kinds of stuff. And we're now kind of in a little dry line with Oldens, whatever you want to call it. It's going to ramp back up later today. Again, just like yesterday, just in time for you to head home. And we've had a number of people during President's Morning News, Christopher Gabriel and I, sending us messages because we have literally been sounding the alarm saying if you don't have to go over to Hatchetson, you don't have to go over the Grapevine over the next 24 to 48 hours, don't do it. Because for the first time in years, maybe even ever, we've had two things, as long as I've lived in California, that I've experienced for the first time this year. We had avalanche warnings from the atmospheric rivers back in January. This morning, I have in front of me from the National Weather Service blizzard warning for the Sierra, the Tehachapi, for the Grapevine. There's a snow warning for LA County mountains. Never seen that before. And as Christopher and I were saying, you've both gone over the Grapevine. Cajon Pass over the Grapevine is 4,144 feet. That's at the top of the climb right there. It's the crest of the mountain, just over, right there. As you make your way to Gorman. Right. So consider this. I'm going to read you verbatim from the blizzard warning and the winter storm warning from the National Weather Service. But keep in mind, Cajon Pass is 4,144 feet. So, from 3,000 to 5,000 feet, between now and Saturday, up to 6 feet of snow possible. Imagine that on the Grapevine.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, last time I came through there, it was all white.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't deep. It was all white.
But even you get 6 inches of snow on the Grapevine, with as heavily traveled as that route is, and then you have slick conditions, then you get ice, and then you get other drivers, and you get erratic compounds. It's going to be an absolute nightmare. And something else the National Weather Service put out, which they very, very rarely do, as part of their warning, says this, and I quote, travel to be restricted to emergency only. Have to travel at a winter survival kit with you. And again, this is traveling in the Sierra Nevada, over the Tehachapi Pass, and over the Grapevine, just to name the few.
Now, normally, when we get
a winter storm warning means that snow showers are likely to come out consistent. Blizzard means you have an immense thunderstorm that produces snow.
States, but around the globe, you almost never see has been in his career a very skilled attorney. He's probably spent a lot of time in courtrooms in his life. He has been bawling, breaking down in tears during much of this testimony that is focused on the details surrounding when he found the bodies of his wife and his son. And his own older son has testified on his behalf. The evidence is obviously very damning. One thing they haven't really been able to point out, Buck, is why did he do it?
I was going to ask you what the motive is here. You've been following this trial more closely.